Hello guys, so a lot of discussion in the last days about the Facebook and Instagram shops, and Facebook is giving actually a credit to all of these owners that they are actually going to integrate, and they are going to create a checkout page so that people are going to buy within the Facebook or Instagram platform. So they are giving this credit, but most of the times the people don't know how to actually use the credit. So this is why I'm making this video. To be honest with you, it's a little bit tricky, so follow the instructions. First of all, in order for you to be able to see if you are using the credit, you need to go to payment activity. The same place that you go and you see the charges for your card, you are going to see, I'm going to add a print screen here, how it's going to look if Facebook is charging your ad credit instead of your card. In my case, in 2 or 3 accounts, this was not what was happening, and it was actually spending, even by creating ads for my e-commerce, for my stores on Facebook and Instagram. I have a video that I show exactly the way how to create an ad which is specifically for your Instagram or Facebook store. Even by creating this kind of ads, Facebook wasn't spending the credit that they gave to my clients. So we contacted support, and after a period of long messaging back and forth, it was fixed, and now we can see in the payment activity that they are actually charging the ad credit that they have promised with an email. So this is the way to do it. This is the way with the payment activity to go and check if you are actually spending from the ad credit. Don't leave it, because if you leave it, maybe you will end up taking the promise of Facebook that they are going to give you money, but they are not. So just try to contact the customer support to solve this, and at the end of the day, it's money that they promised to you, so you have to take it. So customer support, if you don't know how to do it, to reach the customer support, I have also another video which is talking about how to contact the Facebook customer support and solve this issue. Consider to subscribe for more tips, and I will see you in a future video.